JDCap26 here, just doing tips and hobbies. And when you install the scope mount, which is attached to, you got to put the scope on the mount. In the frame of the gun, there's a pinhole right here, and that scope mount goes right in the pinhole right there, okay? And I want you to know that. And then you tighten the 3 Allen screws down. They're actually Torx screws. And excuse my voice, a little hoarse today. And this is on the Swarm 2 Generation 2 Gamo rifle. Okay, and also, if you're going to go to bore sight this, you can't use a laser bore sight. It won't fit. It just won't fit, okay? So you therefore have to get the old style bore sighter with the arbor and do it that way. I wanted to point that out to you. Also, there's another video on my channel on how the orientation of the magazine goes, so you might want to take a look at that, and I'll link that in the description or the comments below. Sorry for the shaking too. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped you, and we'll see you in the next video.